Okay, Assalamualaikum, and this is part 2 for the parameter sweeping features. Okay, once we have the, completed the simulations, the calculations, the software will give out the data. Basically, since we run 9 set of calculations, simulations, parameter sweeping. So there will be additional 9. So number 1, this is the original data from the based on the design that design of antenna that we construct. Okay, and then we have additional 9. So from 2, this is the first sweeping. Basically, the length of the patch is from 3 and the width is 3.5. So this is the original signal, very close to the targeted resonant frequency 227. So next 3 to 5 become higher, and then 3.5, 3.5 become too low. Yeah, this is still close lah, 4 to 5. Okay, which is we're not interested to that. We want to focus that the length is minimum but the width is maximum lah. Okay. So let's look at other parameter. Okay, like this graph, it becomes the bandwidth become too small, so we are not interested with that as well. Okay, similar to this is much more wider, which is better. But the center frequency definitely is far off lah, 26. Okay, so we have to investigate further by changing the move the XR to the minimum. So this is 26. But the issue with this is the return loss is very low. So this is something that we not interested as well. Okay. So if you want to see all everything's together. So then we can run another parameter. For example, okay, this is what I run. I read run another set of parameter. Select multiple parameter you want to see. Okay. Still, the data from number 1 is the best. Okay, this one. So we can and select the others. So this is another set of parameter which I already run, and we can see still S11 from the graph number 1, the red color graph is the best, which is the original parameter. Okay, so maybe we need to run another set of based on this. Okay, we need to run another set of data, or we can try to use the optimizer. Okay, so again we can adjust the parameter sweep. Then we can feeder edit. Okay, closer to value, maybe very minimum. So let's try 152 or 2.2. Okay, then we took maybe 3 samples again. All right, then the on the width of the patch, okay, we can use 3.9, so 3.8 until 4. Okay, or 3.8 until 3.84, 3.9 until 3.95, for example. So come the value is very minimum, changes of value very minimum, very minimal. Okay, here also we can change it to very minimum, 3.5 to 3.18, for example. Okay, and then click OK, and then we can start again the parameter sweeping. The objective is to get the best looking graph where the again our targeted is at the resonant frequency at 27 gigahertz. Okay. So we wait for this parameter sweeping to finish so that we can show whether we get better graph or not.